Good morning, students. Today our topic 7th class, 3rd chapter, simple equations. On that, exercise 1. Write LHS and RHS of the given simple equations. So, is given some simple equations. We have to find which is LHS, which is RHS. We have to find. First one, 2x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. So, simple, LHS is equal to 2x, RHS is equal to 10. LHS, left hand side, RHS, right hand side. So, LHS is equal to 2x, RHS is equal to 10. So, if I take another one also, if I take fourth problem, on that 5p plus 3 is equal to 2p plus 9. So, in this LHS means left hand side, LHS is equal to 5p plus 3, RHS is equal to 2p plus 9. Simple thing. So, first bit same like this only. Next, we are going for the second bit. In exercise 2, second bit, how we have to solve. So, solve the following equation by trial and error method. So, trial and error method. Trial and error method. So, how we have to follow? First one, 2x plus y is equal to 7. What is trial and error method? What is trial and error method? Simple answer. So, you have to substitute y is equal to some values from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to whenever the simple equation satisfied the value, both side equal. So, let y is equal to 0. First, y is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 plus 0 is equal to 7. 2 plus, both are not equal. So, y is equal to 0 is no solution. Next, take y is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. 3 is equal to 7. Both are not equal. Next, y is equal to 2. That is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 7, 4 is equal to 7, both are not equal, cut it. Next, how to take y is equal to 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 7, 5 is equal to 7, so both are not equal. Y is equal to 3 is also not a solution. This is a trial and error method. Every time we have to substitute one value, whenever we get the particular result, okay? So, next, y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 means what I have to do? 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. 2 plus 4, 6 is equal to 7. So, this is also not a solution. Let I am taking y is equal to 5. So, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 5 is the solution of the given simple equation. Given simple equation. You should try up to whenever you have to get result. That time you have to try every problem. Okay. Next, same like that only you have to give another one. Next. So, that is 2n minus 14 is 2n is equal to 14. Simple thing. First n is equal to 0, you have to substitute. So, 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 is not equal to 4. Next, n is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 14. That is 2 is not equal to 14. N is equal to 2. So, 2 2 ja 4, 4 is not equal to 14. Simply have to take up to whenever you have to get n is equal to 7. Next, continue as well, then you have to substitute n is equal to 7. One by one you have to substitute, not for jump, for me only. So 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 14 is equal to 14. 14 is equal to 14. Therefore, n is equal to 7 is the solution of the given simple equation. Okay, understand? This is for exercise 1. Exercise 1 very easy. Just you will do within 5 minutes or 10 minutes only. Next, we are going for the exercise 2. Exercise 2. That is also very easy. So, exercise 2. Now we are starting for exercise 2. What is exercise 2? Solve the following equations without transporting and check your answer. Okay? First, solve the following, this time without transport. Without transport. Without transport. Without transposing. How we are to solve? How we are to solve? Just simple is given on problem. X plus 5 is equal to 9. X plus 5 is equal to 9. We have to find the value of x without transposing. Without transposing. Just here we have 5. Here we have 5. So I want to find the value of x. At that time, what I have to do? Add minus 5 both sides. Add minus 5 both sides. Simple thing. So I want value only x. That's why x only. Find the value of x only. That's why. So that is equal to x plus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. So minus 5 I am adding both sides. That means I substitute minus 5 both sides. Then the value is not changed. That x equal to plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. This is answer. Next, 9z is equal to 81. I want to find the value of z in these equations. So here 9 is multiple. Bring that side. No, not bring. We are not transporting it. Just have to divide. So divide both side. Divide both side with 9. With 9. So simple thing. 9z by z is equal to 81 by 9. I am dividing both sides with 9. So the value is not changed. So both 9 9 cancel. 9 1 ja 9 9 ja. Therefore z is equal to 9. This is without transposing method. Next, in this again one problem. Listen here. 5y plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 10. How it? So both sides we have y. So here 5y, here 4y. So compared to this, this is the bigger value. So what you have to do? What you have to do? So first add minus 4y minus 4y. Add or subtraction 4y have to write as reverse. Add minus 4y both side. Both side. Add minus 4y both side. Simple. 5y plus minus 4y plus 10 is equal to minus 4y plus 4y minus 10. Simple. My adding means plus into minus, again you are getting minus only, that's why. 5y minus 4y plus 10 is equal to minus 10. Okay? 5y minus 4y. 5y minus 4 is equal to y plus 10 is equal to minus 10. Plus 10 bring that side. So here plus 10. I want value only y. That's why again add minus 10 both sides. Add minus 10 both sides. Simple thing. So y plus 10 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 10 minus of minus 10. Y is equal to plus minus 10 plus into minus minus 10 is equal to minus 20 both sides. Y is equal to minus 20. So what is say? Check your answer once again. How we have to check? Simple. You have to substitute in this value here only. 5 into minus 20 plus 10 is equal to 4 into minus 20. 4 into minus 20 is equal to, I am checking here. What else? Check your answer. That's why I am asking, doing minus 10. So minus 100 plus 10. 25 is 100 plus into nothing but plus into minus minus. Minus 100 plus 10 is equal to minus 80 minus 10. That is equal to minus 100 plus 10, that is equal to minus 90 is equal to minus 90. Therefore, our answer is correct. This is for exercise 2 first bit. Okay, without transporting, I didn't any transport. Next we are going for the with transpose. By transposing method. Previous without transport, now with transpose. Compared to that, this is very easy. So first problem, 2 plus y is equal to 7. I want to find the value of 7. Simple thing. Plus is nothing but plus. Plus bring that, you are getting minus. That is equal to solution. 2 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to plus 2, bring that side minus 7 minus 2. Y is equal to 5 only. Simple thing. Okay. So next check your answer. Asked, check your answer. Substitute y here. That is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. This is our answer. Okay. Next. Again one problem I am telling. So 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. How we have to solve? With transposing method. Transposing method. So first one. So minus 3, bring that side plus 3. 2a is equal to 5 plus 3. So minus 3 brings side plus 3. Plus 3 bring that side minus 3. Into bring that division. Division bring that side into. Or into come this side division. Division come this side into. Okay. Next. 2a is equal to 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. 2 into a. 2 here multiple. Bring that side division. A is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to check our answer. So 4 substitute here. 2 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 5. I am checking. 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. Next, 14 is equal to 27 minus 6. We have to solve. So first I have to do minus x, bring this side plus x, plus 14 bring that, that is equal to minus 14. Simple thing. Solution. 14 minus 24, 27 minus x. So x is equal to 27 minus 14. x is equal to 27 minus 14 is equal to 13. Okay, so how to check yourself? 14 is equal to 27 minus 13, 14 is equal to 14. Therefore, our answer is correct. Next, again one problem. So, 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. So, how it? First, you have to here bracket after we have 5. So, 5 here into, bring this a division. So, 5 multiple those total term, that's why first I am moving 5. This is for sixth problem. So, x plus 4 is equal to 35 by 5. 35 by 5. 5 anja, 5 7 ja. Next, x plus 5 is equal to 7. Plus 4 bring that side minus 4. X is equal to 7 minus 4. X is equal to 3. So, I am checking once again. So, is it right or wrong? So, 5 into x is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 35. So, 5 into 3 plus 4, 7 is equal to 35. 5 7 ja, 35 is equal to 35. Therefore, our answer is correct. Verify. Next, 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2x plus 1. So, first what we have to do? So, first you have to multiple in this only. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3 ja 9 is equal to 5 2 ja 10x plus 5 1 ja 5. Simple. 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 3 into x 3x minus 3 3 ja 9. So, first x term bring this one side and numerical terms constant bring another term, that is equal to. So, plus 5 bring this side minus 5 minus 9 is equal to 10x minus 3x. Simple thing. Plus 5 bring this side minus 5 minus 9 as it is. Plus 3x bring that side minus 3x. That is equal to 14 is equal to 7x. 10 minus 3 7. Or 7x is equal to 14 minus 14. X is equal to 14 by 7. That is equal to minus 2. Okay? Minus 2. Now we have to check minus 2 is right or wrong. I have to substitute here only. So 3 into minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So 3 into minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 5 into 2 2 ja minus 4 plus 1. That is equal to 5 3 ja minus 15 is equal to 5 into minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 3. Minus 15 is equal to minus 15. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to, therefore, our answer is correct. Okay, students. So, this is 7th class, 3rd chapter, exercise 1 and exercise 2. So, which problems are living, that's your homework to you. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my